Hello, and how are we all doing? Today I thought we'd go for a mooch in B&M because there is a huge brand new B&M superstore here, and I just thought it would be interesting to just go in and have a look, see what they've got, just to see if there's any nice bits to make my house feel more spring-like, or give me motivation for fitness and health, or stationery because it's always a requirement, or healthy snacks, or just snacks. But yeah, let's go and have a mooch around, see what we can find, see if we're inspired by anything, see if anything takes our fancy, and yeah, let's get going. Here we are, look, big B&M. Let's go. So I've got me a trolley because I think I'm going to need it. This place is huge. This food aisle is just insane. And I've already filled most of my trolley with things I probably don't need, but they will store for a while. So did anybody else's dogs get totally spoiled at Christmas? He really doesn't need any more toys. Although I did get him some Kongs which are meant to last, and he literally destroyed them in seconds. So this stuff would probably be a lot cheaper and possibly last longer. Moist. To be fair, they've got some pretty decent gym gear. It's not too dissimilar from what I've just seen in Primark. I like this. Why is it out of this whole aisle of cleaning stuff, the one thing that I think I might want hasn't got a price on it? Look at this absolutely Boston pack of Unstoppables. That is enormous. Well, that's a cool bucket if ever there was one. Oh, so Flora. All in the Christmas fragrances, but the Christmas is gone. Ooh, a new fragrance of my favourite. What's this? Tropical Breeze. That sounds nice. I think we'll have me one of those. Does anybody else ever pull one from the back? Don't ever have one from the front, always have them at the back. Is anybody else's house overrun with all this newbie stuff? I need to get Dov a proper drinking cup, but none of them, these ones always seem to leak, and then these ones don't fit all the other bottoms that we've got, and then the ages is all out, and oh, there's so many cute baby things. Oh my goodness, I miss having a baby, I've got to be honest. Loads of bog roll. Has anybody else read all those articles about people stashing toilet roll ahead of Brexit? Are you stashing toilet roll ahead of Brexit? Let me know in the comments. Has anybody tried these W7 palettes? These on the rocks. Just till dawn. Sunkissed Let It Glow Baked Highlighter palette, eh? Oh, they're quite nice colours. On the subject of makeup, I actually got myself some magnetic eyelashes the other day. What a great concept, thought I. Can't do it. It is the most complicated thing ever. You have to be some kind of makeup pro to be able to deal with that sort of stuff. These pastel boxes are lovely if you've got a nursery in one of these colours. How pretty are these? 60 litres, 2 for £12. Actually, our nursery's yellow. We could probably do one of these. Hey, they look comfy. I wouldn't mind me of some of them. Somebody's abandoned their big pants. How could they do such a thing? Do they not realise the comfort? Look at all these cushions. Too busy banging on top. Ooh, ooh. I really want to do up our bedroom this year. And one of the things is I've never had any posh cushions to put on the bed, so I'm on the lookout for some nice maybe gold cushions, or I don't really know what colour to go for, to be honest. Oh, these are cool. Wow. I've never really grown up. If I didn't have my husband, my house would literally be unicorn land. These are quite nice. I like the tassels. Oh, good grief. See, I don't know if I should go with a contrasting colour, because I bought that crushed velvet gold bedspread, so I don't know if I should have a contrasting colour of cushions, but what goes with gold? Oh my goodness, look at these curtains. Wow. If you want to inject a bit of glitz and glamour into your room, those are certainly the ones for you. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah, this looks like a good aisle. Lots of homeware goodness. This is what I'm after. I don't know what I'm after. I'm not actually after anything, but this is what I want to look at. And big candles. Wow, look at these. That is so pretty and enormous. Reduced to a £5. What a bargain. Funky lights, funky lights. I'm still after one of those neon things that you can like write a word yourself. When I'm talking about January inspiration, this is it. Remember things and plan things. Yep. Ooh, bubble waffle maker. Interesting concept, looks delicious. A huggable tablet stand. What could you possibly want a huggable tablet stand for? Kids? I love these. And how cool are these? More organising stuff, although I've not seen anything that's really floated my boated yet. Float my boat. Yeah, I haven't seen anything quite yet. Oh, that's nice, look, it's got like sparklies on the bottom. That's pretty. Yeah, I want some stuff that I organise myself, but I haven't seen anything yet that's quite doing it, so we'll keep looking. Storage box heaven. I have an unnatural urge to buy these, even if I don't know what I'm going to store in them. I don't actually think I've got any space to store anything at the moment. We need to have like a major sort out at home. It is a little bit ridiculous how full some of our cupboards are, but we'll be doing videos about it, so we'll see how we go. Wow, I can't wait till Dolph's kind of old enough for this stuff, because this still says like not suitable for children under 3 because of like choky parts. I'm sure it'd be fine like if you keep an eye on them, but I don't want to risk anything. Oh my god, look at these chalks. Wow. I did want actually to get a scrapbook for Dolph to like, I saw somebody, I can't remember who it was, who said they did like a scrapbook for Christmas of like photos and things it got up to. I'd love to do that for Dolph, so yeah, maybe one of these actually. That's really nice, isn't it? Beautiful moments. I might get it. Oh, look at all these cute pencil cases and post-it notes and office supplies that I don't need. Man, you could spend a fortune in here. I'm having to keep the pace up to like get past it, so don't keep buying things. Amazing list. So many rainbows and shiny. Oh, there's so much nice stuff in here. Like seriously, it's dangerous. Really dangerous. It's my husband's birthday tomorrow and I'm very tempted to get this. There is a bathroom cabinet with like some cut out bits that I've been looking at in B&M on the website for ages and haven't actually been able to find it, so I'm really hoping that they've got it here, but so far it's not looking very promising. I'm not even going into that bit. I don't need paint, tools or wallpaper. Man, so I literally ended up with a shopping trolley full of food. Oh, what we like. But I mean, there's some absolutely like delicious stuff in there. Like these Milka bars are just fabulous. Like Dolphy loves them. I got some like Jammy Dodger like unicorn ones. I think they're like just normal Jammy Dodgers but with a unicorn on the packet. But they're only 50p. Fruit parts, great for Dolphy's lunchbox. Some Capri Suns, which are always great just to pop in the changing bag, just in case like you run out of drinks and stuff or juice while you're out. These are for me, like little calorie counted snack things, just for a bit of a sweet treat. Some granulated sugar, how exciting. Gravy granules, chocolate spread. Told you it's a completely random mix. I picked up my Minky sponges because they look useful. I got sour on some Haribo Star Mix and giant crumpets. Everybody's looking at me because I'm talking to myself, like packing the car. Got some animal biscuits for Dolph. They're great for lunch boxes. Some chocolate filled crepes. These are like my favourite thing in the world. The sun is like so in my face. I did get my disinfectant spray in Tropical Breeze. I should do all my hauls like this. A giant ketchup. A pie in a tin just in case of emergencies. Some like hand sanitizer. This is so cheap. I think it's like 49p, but I like to keep this up in Dolph's bedroom just in case of poo explosions. I've got some chocolate croissants. I like to have these in for Ben because he likes to grab them to take to work because he leaves like really early in the morning. Rich tea biscuits, just sometimes you just can't beat a plain rich tea. Party rings. I like to have those in for Dolph as a little treat. Marshmallow mateys. Oh my goodness, if you like Lucky Charms, which are like super expensive, you'll love these. They're like the same thing. Some little dino bites. I thought those looked nice as little snacks for Dolph. I need another bag. 2 seconds. I got a couple of tins of tuna. These are reduced down to £2, so I always like to have tuna in because it's great for sandwiches, great for baked potatoes, and it's healthy. I got these some Unstoppables. I wasn't going to buy these because I always think they're quite expensive, but this is the fragrance Sun Kiss and it's really nice. So I thought for like towels and things, I like them to smell nice for longer in the cupboard. So I got those. Some Velvet Vanilla Cake Mix by Betty Crocker. I want to do some baking with Dolph, so I thought that'd be cute. Tea bags, not much to say about those. I got some paracetamol just because bugs are going around. Gold bars, these are just so delicious, and I'm actually calorie counting so I can have like little treats and stuff, but as long as they're not like too much of a treat. Some Belvita breakfast biscuits but topped with chocolate. I got my little rainbow scrapbook that I want to do for Dolph. I'm thinking to put like Christmas memories or just like memories of days out and stuff in there so he can look back across it when he's bigger. Some massive kitchen towels. They're meant to be like super absorbent. Brexit bog rolls. I'm not really stashing them for Brexit. Like, it's just something I read on Mum's Net that said like people were, what did they call them, like preppers or something, where people are getting like loads of stuff in ready in case of a no deal Brexit. Crumpets. Some multi-pack of golden vegetable rice. It's always nice to put curries and that sort of thing. Really quick to prepare. Some little tins of baked beans with sausages. These are great for like a quick snack for Dolph, just to put on like some wholemeal toast. I got my vac fresheners to get rid of my dog smell. Some crab flavour filling. That's just for Sal to have on sandwiches because he always moans that he has ham 365 days of the year. And some massive bags of What's It and Skips. There's like 20 packs in here, so they should keep us going for a while because in our house we get through crisps at the rate of knots because Sal eats them like crazy and Dolph likes the odd bag in his lunch as well, so there we go. Car is nice and packed. I'll have to take the trolley back to B&M. Bit of a weird way to do a haul, but you know. And yeah. I think it was my lucky day today because I was just about to stick my house key in the trolley thing and a lady gave me one that didn't need a thing, one that's broken, and I didn't have £1, so I'm going to take a dash home now because I've got to go and pick up Dolph. So I hope you enjoyed having a look around that enormous B&M with me. I ended up basically just buying all food really. I didn't really need to come in for anything, but you know, you always need food, so it's nice to stock up on a few bits and pieces, get a few treats in, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. But yeah, so I'll see you soon. Take care.